inches later.
Look, we will be part of the Philippines. We will hold the treasure proof of that water pieces of replicate another form of reference. This is the red diamonds of coral. Here's the wonders of coral triangles. The right underwater educational life new species for which those are like divers, scuba divers. It doesn't work? Sige, try mo. Kailangan na detect ka yata nung anak.
A few inches later.
Hinay-hinay mo yan. Ayan o, tumatapat. Yan. New ones. Oh. Or appears after masters the linear mark on the phosphorescent walls. This kind of walls absorb the light flash and emits it back. You stand between the light and the wall, your body and other things hit. Okay? Ay, violet ayan o, tinan mo. Rainbow shadow. Ayun, ayun o. Ay, sa Ate Violet o. Sige, Ate Violet, tingnan mo.
Kaya.
When you combine red, green, and pink. Oh, sige lang. Mamaya. O, go na daw. O, do not remove ha. Do not remove yet. Okay.
Don't put it back.
O, don't put it back. Wait, pag ginawakan mo, what happens? The charges will easily accumulate on your body parts like hair. Oh, did you get it? Kasi may puro positive. Oh. So yung nasa ano mo is negative. Kapag nag-positive and negative anak, kapag positive to positive, it repels each other.
Paghahawakan mo ano ha, bakal.
Sige, sige. I-continue na. Sige na.
Anak ko, didikit ko ba?
too often threats of space-time, which is bent by the mass of objects. Years ago, Newton explained gravity to be opposite objects to each other. And for a really long time, this idea of gravity was okay.
Hold on until the earthquake is happening. Yes. The earthquakes. Oh my God. So.
A few moments later.
It's trivia time!
Oh yeah. That's what we saw. No, that's the unit. That's the galaxies. The constellations. Ano ba kayo, no? Oh. It's a different. Ayun o. What's tayo? Oh, that's Mercury. And then we can rotate. Oh, look. Oh, that's Mercury.
I want to see what's there.
But just about, I see, bala ka na.
Light. For the first demonstration, I'm gonna ask for a volunteer because we're gonna make a cloud inside this bottle and we will see how light interacts with matter. I think you were the first to raise your hand over here. Big round of applause for a volunteer. What is your...
Video ka mga sa mga.
It's a sign. Motor siyang baby sister.
Ang dulo. Okay lang ang taas dito. Ayan o, tingnan mo kung tinataas ko.
May fish mo. May fish mo. Hindi ka watch mo.
Ayun! Fish ko yan. Ayun o, ang ganda kaya nung fish ko. Ayun o, nakita mo? Ayun, ayun, yan. Fish ko yan. Oo. Red and white, yes. Nakita mo? Ganda nung sa akin. What can you see? You look at the, look at the inside.
Ay, si Jendal. Ang cute.